this is out of the way, it's time for Hiddo and PK 2! That was a crap introduction.
Yes, it was! Stop being crappy!
Say PK,
Yeah?
doesn't it feel weird having a hand up your ass?
Does actually, but then again, it feels better. You know, it feels better than just being on paper all day.
Yeah, being in that lead of that pencil, waiting to be drawn by someone.
That person should just right down here. The person's here. Look, hello.
Shut up, you. I don't like you anymore. Bother. You are a little freak. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Oh my god, there's the camera. Hey, camera. Hey, camera person. Say hello.
Hello.
Thank
I
you.
don't like you. You killed PK.
Look, not look. He's alive. Oh god, this looks so wrong. Oh well, I need to hide the body. Bye bye, buddy! And cut!